What's up, YouTube? I got another video for you guys. This one's going to be kind of short. Now, if you're thinking about ways that you can make money, or whether it's passive or it's, you just need some money, and you want to use some free time, well, I got some tips that could probably help you out in just a second here. Now, please like and subscribe, and thank you in advance for your support. Now to the video. Well, easiest thing, where you would start. So say you needed some money, or you just wanted a side hustle. The first thing you can do is look at yourself. What are you good at? Now, you could be good at baking. You could be good at sewing blankets, fixing cars. Anything. But if it's something that you do, and maybe even often, that you could sell your services or market your services to a potential customer, then that could be, that could get you started. So one, location is definitely a thing. So like, for example, the blanket idea. If you're in Florida or like California and you're good at sewing blankets, they make good gifts, but it's going to be a little harder market because there's not much cold weather. It's just not as cold there. But if you pick a location where you can sell this in another location, like eBay, Etsy, Mercari, things like that, now you could be making some money, doing something you like to do. It could be a hobby of you. You could be making a blanket every week. But something like that, like your location, currently may not be ideal for your business, but if it's something that could be sold online, then that could probably benefit you to look into those kind of resources. But I would definitely start with what you already currently have, your passions, hobbies, something that you always wanted to start, or something you have a lot of knowledge about. Another example, if you're good at math, well, there are people that are not so good at math that will pay you money to teach them to be good or better at math, ace a test, things like that. Or even specialized things like I've got a friend that he has a business that provides a service helping immigrants with their get their green cards, or pass their citizenship test, and he does pretty well doing that. And it's a business. He actually went through it himself, so he knows the process. So after you've done something, after you have experience with something, you can actually show yourself, well, obviously learn more first, but be an expert in that area. So think about what you can do to provide a service or a product to somebody without going way out of your norm. Not saying you can't do it in the future, but for right now, stick to what's close to you. Now, guys, I hope this helps you out. I know it's a short video, but it's just some tips and advice that could get you started making a couple of extra dollars a month, 100, whatever it is, just something that's extra. It's more than what you're making, probably something you're already doing. So guys, please, once again, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.